Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Friday, February 25th at about 2:07 p.m. here in Northern California. This is going to be a quick video. I don't have all my gear. I'm actually in between offices, moving everything to my home office, and I'm kind of in flux. But there's some important stuff happening in the market that we need to talk about, and so I had to make a video and get this out to you as quickly as possible. So hopefully my voice is enough for this particular video. Here's what I'm seeing across the market. I had been talking about a pullback, expecting a pullback. We got the pullback all the way down to the lines on most charts that I expected us to come back to. And now I'm seeing this candle right here. That candle right there is what we call a hammer. It indicates supply absorption, which means the bears tried to push it down and the bulls bought it all the way back up. It basically means that there is sufficient buying power down here to keep it from going down beyond that line. What that means is we've hit bottom here, and now the pattern, the trend is reversing. So just as we saw this kind of downward pattern, now we're going to see an upward pattern that might look something like this, in which we come back to retest these levels here. We got a corresponding bounce in the RSI. This is on the daily chart, which means that the RSI is also substantiating and confirming this move. Now, this is the total crypto market cap chart. I want to look at XRP because there's something important happening here on the XRP chart that we need to look at. First of all, if we look at it on the daily, just like we were a minute ago, there is that hammer. Boom. We got this nice hammer candle right there. Supply absorption. It represents reversal. We're seeing trend reversal now, which means this downward trend is over. This is the bottom. We've hit the bottom. But with this trend reversal, I don't expect us to come back down to this bottom again. And that's what a number of people wanted to know. For a number of these charts, are we going to come back to this bottom? No. Same thing with TFUEL. Are we coming back to that bottom? No, I don't think so. How about THETA token? Are we coming back to this bottom? No, I don't think so. But in all of these charts, I think we're going to revisit support at THETA token. I think we're going to revisit $2.61. I think we're going to revisit 15.6 cents. And for XRP, I think we could easily revisit 69 cents, but we're not going back down to 61 cents. I just don't believe that to be the case. But here's what's exciting about XRP, and this is what I had to stop and make a video to show you. Because if we take a look at the fractals, if we just look at basic fractal harmonics, what we're going to see is that the last time THETA had a major move up, it was in pretty much the same exact pattern. The fractal fits perfectly with what it's doing right now. And to find that, we got to come all the way back over here to February 2017. So in February 2017, from over here, February 2017, all the way until January 2018, XRP just went gangbusters. Now let's take a look at this from the perspective of its fractal. If we start from here and we go all the way up to here, what does that look like? Now I'm going to move this fractal over. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, because it blew my mind. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Now watch this. This is what I'm talking about. If we look at this, basically, I'm going to move this fractal to the front so we can see. Visual order, bring to front. All right. Here's what I'm seeing. We got this triangle here. We got this triangle here. We were in this very similar position in February of 2017. We had these little candles, little candle, little candle, little candle, little candle, little candle, little, bam! All of a sudden, we just explode out of this trend this little micro trend here where it wasn't doing much of anything. It just moved sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. And all of a sudden in the 6th week, it explodes. And what happens is all of a sudden in 1 week, you make 83%. And the next week, you make 800%. And then it moves sideways for a few weeks. And then the next leg up is, well, 1,400% from there. But from here, it's another 490% up. And then finally, if we take it from here, there's another 750%. But from the bottom here to the top here is 65,000%. And it takes basically a year. So if we follow this fractal, this takes us to $364 by December 5th. Absolutely insane, right? So, I mean, it was this pattern that started the last move up for XRP. Could we be in the process of seeing the next thing come? Is it going to happen this week, next week, the week after? I don't know. But the one thing I can say is that XRP, when it finally does take its leg up and when we finally do see the move we've been waiting for, it moves in suddenlies. I mean, this is a suddenly, just like it's making, little minor percentage moves and all of a sudden, bam, 80%. And then bam, 864% in 1 week. I mean, that's insane. That's insane. So yeah, just wanted to give you that and just show you this as a possibility of things to come. And this is what we've all been waiting for. And I think it's going to happen at some point and to some degree. All right, that's all I got for you today. That's all I got for you for right now. Quick update. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my perspective. And if you liked it, like it. And leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. And above all things, make it your aim to sleep in peace, wake in joy, walk in love. This is Cryptogenic signing out.